Hey there, this is Jared. I wanted to just make a video, I guess we'll call it a review, and I'll show you a little bit about the installation of the Safety First lever handle lock. Now, I did order two of these from Amazon. I think it was an Amazon seller, if that matters, not really Amazon. I did see the other day at Home Depot they have the same brand, but it's a different model, so this one might be older. Anyways, I'm not going to bother with either one of them, and let me show you why. So I got it installed. The installation's real easy. I'll show you how I'll take it off in a second. And you can see this here. Ideally, you're supposed to just push this in and be able to open it. Well, that's fine, no problem. And you push it in, turn it back. That's locked. Well, I'll try and film this. If you can see, my 3-year-old son really immediately, he's very persistent. He just, oh, it's a little hard. Let me just lean on it a little. Okay, so I don't know how well you can see it, but the actual lever from the doorknob pushes in just enough to allow it to turn. It's not, you know, oh, that stops me a little bit, but if I'm 3 and I'm persistent, I just lean on it. Really without any difficulty, he opens and gets right in. So that's our pantry. We wanted to keep them out of there. We kind of keep toys and stuff on the bottom because we keep having to move stuff up. So we're going to have to just figure out another solution. I have an idea. I'll probably get another thing that latches up higher. Anyways, that's it. Let me just show you real quickly how it comes off, and then you'll see if you do want to get it, it's pretty simple to install. So let's see if I can hold the camera and the drill. Oops, wrong way. Okay, I'm gonna have to set the camera down to get the other one. Let's see if I can get you where you can see it. Sorry about that. I just don't want to do any editing, so I'm not going to pause and restart. So you just see there's 2 screws. On the doorknob. Okay, I gotta get a little more on this one. So if you do want to install this, it's just literally 2 pieces. This little plate here, and it does have some up arrows. You got to make sure that's pointed up, and you just punch out the tabs that correspond with the doorknob, and that does its job, I guess. That didn't wiggle or anything, but as you saw in the video, this unlocked pretty simply, pretty easily. So obviously I'm going to say I'm not going to recommend that. Not for my son anyways. But if you want it, there it is. Safety First lever handle lock. Again, I think there are newer ones now. I don't know that they work any better, so I'm not going to mess with them. There you go. If you want to see that, you can pause your video. Check out the installation instructions. Okay, there you go. Thank you for watching. That's it for today.